Hey YouTube, welcome to a fingerstyle step-by-step tutorial of Fallen Down by Lil Peep and XXXTentacion. Go grab your tab sheets at patreon.com. That will make this much easier. Okay, so the chords we're going to start out with playing is C, the 3rd fret of the A string, A minor, the 2nd fret of the G string, and E minor, which is the 2nd fret of the A string, the 3rd fret of this E string, and the 4th fret of the C string. Like that. First, middle, ring finger. The strum pattern you're going to use is down, up, scratch, up, scratch, up. So it's going to sound something like this. And repeat. So you're going to play the strum pattern twice on the C, twice on the A minor, and 4 times on the E minor. That will repeat itself through the entire song. So if you're playing with one of your friends doesn't know the fingerstyle version of this song, you can teach them this basic strumming pattern and these 3 simple chords, and then you can play along on top of that and really impress your friends. Okay, so this song is broken down into 3 different sections. I'm going to play them and then I'm going to describe them to you. The first is the intro, so it sounds something like this. Easy, right? And you're just going to repeat that a number of different times throughout the song. So I start with the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, pinky for the 5th, and then I like to just step down, right, from 3 to 2 with that middle finger. I bring my thumb over to catch the 2nd fret of the G string, so I can play an A minor there. And then I play with a hammer on my 1st finger, open, and then you pluck it again. Then I play the 3rd fret of the E string with my middle, and I release that, and I'm at the same time putting my ring finger on the 4th fret of the C string and playing both the open E and 4th fret C, which are the same note. They're both an E note. And that's the intro. So nice, right? And then Rain Keeps Falling. I call that the first verse. You're going to start, I'm going to play it for you. And you're going to repeat that twice. So I play with my middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and I play 3 open, open. I don't play the A string on this note. Pluck the 3rd fret again. And I put my 1st finger down on the 2nd fret of the A string. And here I smash my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A and E, and I bring my ring finger over to play the 4th fret of the C string. And then I lift off my 1st finger so I can play the open E and the 4th fret of the C. Okay? The 2nd verse just follows that portion, and to play it, it goes something like this. So you think about it, going into it, you're here with your ring finger on the 4th string, and that's fine. You just take your 1st finger and tuck it under on the 3rd fret, and you're going to just play the 3rd fret of the A and the C string. Slide the 1st finger down to the 2nd fret, then I bring my thumb over. Middle finger plays the 3rd fret of the E string. And then I just play this simple E minor with my 1st, middle, and ring. And I like to strum down on that and then just catch it up with my 1st finger. And that's the 2nd verse. So the whole song consists of those 3 sections, the intro, verse 1, and verse 2, that I call it. Go grab the tab sheet. It lists it out right there for you. Hope you guys enjoy this one. This one's short. It's nice and easy, straightforward, and it's awesome. It's an amazing song, a great place to start. Okay, guys, we will see you next time. Bye.